everyone. So this is now my stock pick for the week. So I have five stocks here to discuss. So first of all, we have fruit or frutas. Last Friday, so it has broke out from its consolidation or resistance line at around 1.5 or 1.49. So where did we base that? We base that from here and from this line. Again, basically, the resistance line is one of the patterns that we need to know in technical analysis. Like for this case, the stock is still starting, so wala pa tayong ganong oscillators or mga indicators like you can see below the MACD and the OBV. But here, if we zoom it in, we can see that the volume is really high on last Friday. Like for this one on last January 3. Now, again, the volume will indicate that the price action is true or correct. So there's a spike in volume. The momentum continued, consolidated for a while. Then, eventually, the stock moved up. Okay, then let me just adjust the scales. Okay, next. So next we have Globe. So Globe is recently on a excuse me, sideways uptrend position, no? So as you can see here, there's a trend, a support line right here, and a resistance line at around here. So it's just moving on a sideways pattern. But here I have discovered at around 2098 or 2100, there's a resistance line right here, here, and over here. So we can assume that it may hold at that level, move sideways to this support line right here. Plus, we can still see that the moving averages will still move up, like the 50, 100, and the 200-day moving average. On the MACD remains positive. It is above the zero line, and the MACD is above the signal line. And the OBV or the volume is quite good because it's on an upward trend. Then next we have the Sun. So Sun, itong Suntrust ay it has a short-term gain, but it has a big gain recently, no? It consolidated to three trading days ago, but now it shoot up. So as we zoom it out, we can see that I formulated a resistance line here at around 1.88 based on this price. Now if I zoom it in, again we can see the volume here that supports the momentum, but a consolidation here, a pullback. Right here, there's also a strong volume. So with a strong volume, where can the stock headed? So it can go up. Plus here you can see at the the Bollinger Bands that I have, no, it reaches the top line, no. Pati yung OBV natin, it's on the uptrend positive. The histogram, the MACD above the signal line. So next we have the SSI. So SSI is quite on a sideways or flag or piquant na pattern. So ano ba yung mga pattern na yon? You can check it on the internet, or I can explain it on the next series of the stock strat session that I had. Now here we can see that there's a strong resistance line at around this one, 2.81, but it's a diagonal going down. So if the stock move up or break out from the resistance that was based from here, the volume here, the MACD is above the signal line and it's pointing upward, And most importantly, the OBV has a strong volume. So there are the signs are colliding that the stock may break out from this resistance line. So where is the possible next resistance line? Maybe around at this point, around 3.1. So we hope that the stock can rally up to that point. Then lastly, I have the Primex. I think Primex Corporation. Primex Corporation, same thing with the others. Let me just delete some of the files. There you go. So my resistance line here was based here, the previous trends. Then if I zoom it in, I have a diagonal resistance line right there. Hold on, let me just pull out the 200-day moving average. 50. Anyway, nawala yung 200-day moving average ko. Anyway, so there, for the horizontal diagonal support line, we can see it right here. Then there's a gap up. So if there's a gap up, there's a strong chance that the stock can move up. MACD above the signal line, and the histogram is positive. And again, the OBV is right here. Let's check the volume. Volume is high as well. So let's hope, all of these stocks that I've mentioned, the 6 stocks, no, they are possible for a breakout. So let's see and wait for tomorrow. So ayan, my apologies for not making a video last week because we just had a stock strat series. Then for this week, so I hope you've learned something from this video, and if you have questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching.